What's up, friends? I know a long time since we've done a video. Today I got a quick basic maintenance here for the Forester XT, 2017 Forester XT. I did an oil change the other day and realized that we're just about at 30,000 miles. I have not done the air filter yet or the cabin air filter. Both are super easy. Probably not even worth making a video on, but I figured some of my Forester people might be interested to see just how easy this is. If you don't want to touch oil changes and stuff, you can for sure change your air filters. Nothing crazy. Let's jump into it. All right, so we're gonna be doing two parts today. We're gonna be doing the engine air filter and the cabin air filter. I got both of these off of Amazon. I'll drop some links below, but I'll also show you the part numbers. So here's Subaru part number, air elements. Get that real quick. So this is the filter for the engine. This is the cabin air filter. There you go, Subaru part number. But like I said, I'll put a link up. They're a little bit cheaper on Amazon, and they're obviously super easy to get. So let's do the engine one first, and then we'll jump inside and do the cabin one, and we'll get you on your way. All right, super easy. Pull this out of here. This is all it looks like. Quite literally, one-handed. Popping the old one out. As you can see, direct copy. Look how dirty that thing is. Disgusting. And then pop this one in, push it down in there, close this, boom, real time, air filter changed, good to go. All right, cabin air filter is just about as easy. Passenger door, we're gonna open it. Hardest part is gonna be cleaning all of your own or your wife's junk out of the glove box. So pull all this garbage out so it doesn't, otherwise it's going to dump out onto the floor. And you see this little shock right here? This guy pops off. I don't know if I can do it with one hand. Maybe I can. Let's see. Oh, yeah, look at that. One-handed popped off. And then this is now not going to come out unless you bend. There's a tiny bit of flex involved, and I don't know if you can see that. There's a little nub on each side. Flex it. Let me set you here on my leg. Flex it on either side. This will drop down. Sorry, I dropped the GoPro. This comes down. There are two tabs on the bottom. You just pull up on, pull up, pull up, pull up. Slides right out. Filthy. Look at that thing. 2 years of use. And what's funny is I pulled this out the other day to check on it, and I already knocked. There was like a bunch of leaves and sticks and nasty crap in here. So this is what it looks like. Obviously it's marked up. See that? It says up. Pretty easy. Slides right back in. So let's pull this guy out of here. It is a Subaru replacement part. I mean, all these parts are made by some other manufacturer. Come on now. Ready? Watch the feet. Oh, beautiful. So double check. Says up. Slide her right back in the hole. Clip her in. Good to go. Let's put the glove box back on. All right, glove box install is just the opposite procedure. Basically, there's, I don't know if you can see that, but these things clip on to this little bar. It's actually almost easier because now those tabs, when you just push it up, it pops directly back in. And then you can see this little shock thing quite literally clips back into place. Close this. Beautiful. So now put all your crap back in your glove box. You know, napkins and these books, inspections, etc. And you're good. That's literally it. All right, so here's the warranty and maintenance book. This should have in here air cleaner element. So number 8 there says replace at 30 months or 30,000 miles, 48,000 kilometers for my non-US friends. So replace that, and then I don't think that the, oh yeah, HVAC system air AC filter 21. This says to replace every 12,000 miles. So I didn't do the first one, so I guess roughly every year you should do it. It's cheap enough. It's about 20 bucks on Amazon. I couldn't remember what these time frames were, so I decided just to look it up. So basically, The 30,000 mile service, if you don't count the oil filter and engine oil replacement that I've already done, we got inspect drive belts, inspect fuel system lines, connections, all that stuff should be good, but I'll take a look. Inspect cooling system hoses, replace the air filter, I mean. Inspect gear oil, inspect CVT fluid, inspect front diff, replace brake fluid, and perform a rotate of tires. So not a whole lot. Really the only thing that requires work is the air filters, which we just did, and replacing the brake fluid, which we will probably do as well. I'll do a video on that, I guess, but 30,000 mile service is super easy, super cheap. Basically everything else should be good. So legit, that's like less than 5 minutes worth of work. If you count the oil change that I did the other day, I still got the Fumoto drain valve working great, not leaking or anything. Still one of the easiest oil changes I can do. Basically, that took maybe 30 minutes total, and most of that is waiting for the oil to drain. Another, let's call it 10 on the air filters if you've never done it before. So we're at under an hour. The brake flush, I have a power bleeder, but let's call that, even if you go pay somebody to do that, 100, 150 bucks, you know, less than an hour's worth of your time and less than 200 bucks, you can have all this stuff taken care of. So yeah, hit me up with any questions you got. Obviously still got the M3, still got the Tundra outside, still doing track days. Sorry for, you know, lack of videos, but life's busy. I'll try to get some here and there. I got some new wheels coming for the M3. Forester, I know a lot of people ask. Forester's been great. It's never been back to the dealer for anything. All I do is oil changes every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. Typically it's 5,000 miles-ish. And rotate tires, and that's basically it. Just as the first time I've done the air filter and the cabin air filter, I'll probably do the cabin air filter annually now. But yeah, pretty much no issues. Nothing really to complain about. No oil burning. All the LED interior lights I did still work. Yeah, it's been a good car. We like it. Great in the snow. Good seeing you guys. Talk to you next video. Bye bye.